Today, we're doing another measurement word problem. And our word problem for today is Emma had some bubble tape gum. She tore off 22 centimeters to chew. Then she had 67 centimeters left. How many centimeters of gum did she have to start? So I'm going to start off with circling my number. So I have 22 and 67. And then I know also I have some. So I'm going to cloud around some because it's not a number, but I know that it represents some number. And then I'm going to box in my verb. So she had some bubble tape gum. Let's see. She tore off 22 centimeters to chew. Then she had 67 centimeters left. And then I want to know how many centimeters of gum did she have to start. So I'm going to box that in because that's what I need to know to begin with. So I know in my question it says how many did she have to start. So I know when I'm writing my equation, I don't know what Emma had to start with. It says she had some bubble tape gum. It doesn't tell me what she had or how much she has. Then it says she tore off 22 centimeters to chew. Well, I know if I tear off something, it's like I'm getting rid of it and I don't have it anymore. So that means I'm going to subtract 22. Then it says she had 67 centimeters left. So this is telling me what I have left after she tore off the 22 centimeters. Well, I know in solving this problem, I can't solve this. So I need to rearrange it to put it to where I do know how to solve it. So I know if I have an unknown, I always put it at the end. So that's where my question mark is going to go. Well, I know that when I started this, where she had some, that is my greater number. And my greater number always comes at the beginning of my subtraction problem. So I know if I want to figure out this greater number and figure it out down here in this equation, that means I'm going to need to add 22 plus 67 to figure out what this number to begin with is. So I'm going to draw 22. So 10, 20, 21, 22, and then I'm going to add 67. And I'm going to double check 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Okay, so now I have 22 and 67. I know that 7 plus 2 is 9. I don't have enough to regroup, so I'm just going to write 9 below my ones, that's how many I have. And I know I have 6, and if I add 2 more, I'll have 7, 8, 10s. So I also know that when I have it, I have 89. But it said she had centimeters left. So I know that when it says centimeters, I need to make sure I'm writing what it stands for. I also need to think about my question. It said, how many centimeters of gum did she have to start? So I need to write a sentence to tell what this 89 centimeters is. Because if I just look at that, it could be 89 centimeters of anything. So I need to say that Emma had 89 centimeters. Make sure I spell it right, had 89 centimeters of gum to start. And that's how I would solve that start unknown word problem. But we're also going to look at a second word problem today. Our second word problem we're going to look at says, Grace has a ribbon that is 76 centimeters long. Belle has a ribbon that is 42 centimeters shorter than Grace's. How long is Belle's ribbon? Well, to begin with, I think this is going to be a compare word problem because I'm comparing how much ribbon Grace has to how much Belle has. And right now, I don't know how much ribbon Belle has. I know that she has 42 centimeters that is shorter than Grace is, and that Grace has 76 centimeters of ribbon long. So I know that I'm starting with Grace has 76 centimeters. And I don't know exactly how many Belle has. So I know that I know my greater, but I don't know I know that Belle has fewer, but I don't know how much she has. So I'm going to say that Belle, I don't know Belle's, but I do know that Belle has a ribbon that is 42 centimeters shorter than Grace's. So I know that hers is 42 centimeters less than Grace's. Well, I have to rearrange this, so I know how to solve this. I know that when I rearrange my problem, I'm going to put my question mark at the end because it's my unknown number. I know that I'm still going to have 76 to begin with because it's my greater number. And that I'm going to take away 42 to figure out how much ribbon Belle has. So I'm going to start with 76. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. And I know I need to take away 2 ones, so I'm going to cross out 2 ones. And I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. So I have 4 ones. And then it says I need to take away 4 tens. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see that I have 1, 2, 3 tens left. So I'm going to rewrite this so my numbers are closer together. And I'm also going to know that I need to write that it's centimeters because I need to tell you how long it is and what units I'm measuring in. Because if I don't, you might think it's inches, and that would be more than what I have. I also need to rewrite that how long is Belle's ribbon. I'm going to write Belle's ribbon is 34 centimeters long. And that tells me what I know about 34 centimeters. And those are your word problems for today.